Hello everyone, welcome to a new video in Revit how to guide. In this video, we are going to show a couple of essential tools in Revit. So let's jump straight into it. So our first tool is how to copy and paste in the aligned same place in other level. So now here we are in level 2 and we have different diffusers. And we want to copy them to be in the same position but in another level. So we select the 3 diffusers and then we click here as a clipboard, we click copy. Okay, and then we go to level 1 and then we want them to be placed exactly in the same position. So we click on the arrow under paste and then we choose align to current view. As you can see here, the 3 diffusers are pasted here in the same position. Our second tool is how to trim and extend in Revit. So now here we have 2 pipes and we want to extend them. So we go to the modify tab and then we click on trim extend or the shortcut key TR, and then we click first pipe, then the second one, then they are both joined together. Or if we have 2 pipes intersecting and we want both of them to also be connected, we also click TR again, first pipe, second pipe, and then they are both connected to each other. Our third tool is how to create arrays. Let's say I want to create arrays from this pipe. I choose it, I go to the modify tab, then I go and click array. We have options linear or we have radial. I will choose linear for now. I don't want them to be grouped, so I will keep this unchecked. Then I did say I want 8 pipes. Now there is 2 options, second or last. This means if I click on the pipe now and draw this distance, this is the distance between the first pipe and the second pipe, and then it's repeated 8 times. But if I choose last, this means the distance from the first to the last is the distance drawn here, let's say 4000, and the pipes are 8 between both of these distances. And our last tool is how to mirror. If I want to mirror all of these pipes, I select all of them, then I go to modify, then I have 2 options, draw axis or to pick axis. I want to draw an axis, then I choose this line. This means this is a point of mirroring. Then I click enter and then we have all of the pipes mirrored. This video is part of my Revit how to guide playlist. Every video is under 3 minutes, straight to the point and no fluff. You can also check the playlist for more. And if you found this video useful, subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye.